Good, good morning, students. I am Alok Shukla, and today I shall teach you about adverb phrase. And adverb phrase, noun phrase has already been taught to you in previous videos. This video is will in this video I shall explain adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. What is adverb phrase? Adverb phrase a group of words. Group, a group of words. A group of words that does a group of words that does the work of an adverb that does the work of an adverb is known as adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is known as adverb phrase. Adverb phrase you will see through some examples that the speaker spoke clearly. Understand it with example. The speaker, the speaker spoke. The speaker spoke clearly. The speaker spoke clearly, and spoke clearly. Spoke clearly. This is the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. This is adverb of manner, and you can also write this sentence in another form by using adverb phrase. How? Let's see. The speaker spoke in a clear voice. The speaker spoke in a clear voice. The speaker spoke in a clear voice. Spoke in a clear voice. Spoke in a clear voice. This is adverb phrase. Here this is adverb phrase. What is this? This is adverb phrase. This is adverb phrase. In this way, you can also solve some other examples. Some adverbs are given here, and you have to change in them into adverb phrase, like peacefully, carefully adverb, and some adverbs, some adverb phrase. Some adverbs are given here, and you have to tell their adverb phrase. Those adverbs are like carefully, carefully. This means with care, carefully, with care. Other is courageously, with courage, courageously, 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 with courage. And next type is, you will see, next is with courage. Next is hurriedly, 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 double R-I-E-D-L-Y, hurriedly, hurriedly, in a hurry. You will change it in a hurry. Next word is gradually, 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 step by step, step by step, gradually, step by step. And another is slow speed, slowly, at a slow speed, slowly, slowly, at a slow speed, at a slow speed. And the next is abroad, in a foreign land, abroad, abroad, in a foreign, in a abroad, in a foreign land, in a foreign land. In this way, you can change all given adverb into adverb phrase. Here are some examples which I have taught you. And on page number 166, exercise is given, exercise A is given, and you have to underline adverb phrase there. In exercise A, you will see exercise A. In exercise A, Anna performed the task with great skill. Anna performed the task. Anna performed the task. Anna performed the task. Performed with a great skill. With great skill. And you have to underline adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. You have to underline adverb phrase in this given sentence. Anna performed the task with great skill. The task with great skill. And next is Vasan is reaching at this very moment. Vasan is reaching at this very moment. Vasan is reaching at this very moment. At this very moment. At this very moment. Vasan is reaching at this very moment. This is the adverb phrase. And next sentence is this product is available in all places. This product is available at all places. This product is available at all places. This product is available at all places. Is adverb phrase here. And in next exercise, there was no electricity in those days. There was no electricity those days. There is no electricity in those days. Sorry, you will write here in. In those days is adverb clause, adverb phrase here. And next is please handle this porcelain vase with care. Please handle this. Please handle this porcelain vase with care. Please handle this porcelain vase with care. Okay. In this, with care, please handle this pronunciation base with care. With care is the adverb phrase. And next sentence is, at that time we were in Ceylon. At that time we were in Ceylon. At that time, we were at Ceylon. We were at Ceylon at that time. This is adverb phrase in this sentence. And next sentence is, with much consideration, he made his decision. With much consideration, with much consideration, he made his decision. With much consideration, he made his decision. With much consideration is adverb phrase in this given sentence. In this given sentence, take his medication, this medication for pain. Next sentence is, take this medication for pain. Medication for pain. Take this medication for pain as often as needed. As often as needed. Here in this sentence, for pain, for pain is the adverb phrase. And now in exercise B, at page number 166, exercise B, we have to do this exercise. At next page we have to do exercise. In this exercise we have to do a bracket is given. In bracket there are some adverb phrases are given, and in sentence some adverbs will be given, and you have to change those adverbs with adverb phrase. You have to change those adverbs with adverb phrase. For example, I am going to solve for you. Sonu waited for his result eagerly. Somu waited for his result. Somu waited for his result eagerly is adverb in this sentence, and you have to change eagerly, you have to replace eagerly. In another sentence you will see Sonu waited for the result eagerly. It means you will choose with a great eagerness. With great eagerness. This is the right answer. And second sentence is Udit runs 5 miles daily. 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 Daily. You will convert this adverb into adverb phrase. You will convert this into adverb phrase. Daily means every day. Daily means every day. You will convert it into every day that is given in the bracket. You have to only choose. You have to choose. Okay? Wisely. And third is he performed the task carelessly. He performed the task. He performed the task. He performed the task carelessly. Task carelessly. Carelessly. You will change carelessly, and in the place of with carelessly, carelessly, you have put it carelessly, toss carelessly. Again and again in a foreign country, that not will be in great eagerness. With care, right answer will be with care. With care will be right answer. With care will be right answer. With care will be right answer. And now the next sentence is here for you. The next sentence is Naima lives abroad. Naima lives abroad. Naima lives abroad. Naima lives abroad. You will change abroad into in a foreign country. In a foreign country. In a foreign country. And next is in a foreign country. And next is he went through the documents repeatedly. He went through the document. He went through the documents repeatedly. He went through the document repeatedly. He went through the document repeatedly. You will change repeatedly with again and again. Again and again. Again and again. Again and again. And the next next sentence is Dino is undoubtedly an exceptional tap dancer. Dino is undoubtedly Dino is undoubtedly an exceptional tap dancer. An exceptional tap dancer. An exceptional tap dancer. Undoubtedly. You will change it with without doubt. You will change it with without doubt. And next is please place the statue here. Next sentence is, please place the statue here. Please place the statue here. Here is the adverb, and you will change it with here at this place. At this place. At this place. And next is, at this place. Let us leave for the beach now. Let us leave for the beach. Let us leave for the beach now. Let us leave for the now will be changed into at this moment. At this moment. At this moment. Now will be changed into at this moment. In this way, exercise B at page number 166 has been completed. Exercise and B both has been completed. And now you will see adjective phrases. Let us talk about adjective phrases. What is adjective phrase? That I shall explain it in next video. Only you will know what you have to read for the next time. That is adjective phrase. That is adjective phrase. That is adjective phrases. You will learn definition of it, and its exercise will be done for you. Definitions of adjective phrases. Let's discuss in person time. But sorry, there is time limitations, and we have crossed that limitations. This class is over now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.